Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if it is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay joined to the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my return supporters. I appreciate you guys a bunch. Thank you. I love you guys. So today's video, get excited. We have here some lip oil lip tint from Purlisse. We did try products from Purlisse on this channel before. They have amazing products. So if you never checked them out yet, I'm gonna link them on the description of this video where you can find them. Alright, so I have this. Here is the top of the box. I have box open because I already filmed the parts trying the lip oil for you guys. Celebrate the spirit of fresh beginnings and natural beauty with our new Just Lip Tint Nourisher. Hydrate Tint Lip Balm that adds perfect touch of color. And this formula has mango seed butter that contains vitamin A, C, and E, shea butter to deep moisture, rice bran oil to protect your lips from UV rays. Love this. And also has vitamin E that leaves your lips supple and youthful. We love that, guys. And also have jojoba oil that's soothes and chapped lips. And I don't know about you guys, but for me, in the winter, my lips I was cracking and chapping everywhere. It's disgusting. I hate the chapped lips. So this lip oil comes just in time. So I have all the color here. I did film a little video because I was filming the TikTok video first. I'm gonna put on the side here so you guys can see all the shade that I swatched for you guys, and I tried 2 of these shades. So I think I'm gonna put like a picture of the whole lip stuff on the side and play that video, so I'm not talking both videos, right? But here is all the shades, and I did swatch all of them and show you guys on the swatch. So let's try and swatching. So I don't have nothing on my lips, just some lip balm, but I'm gonna remove it. Alright, so now we are bare lips. So look at how many gorgeous colors we have here. Let's go in with the color Coral Shine. I don't know, I just always thought that coral is a color that always go good with my skin tone. So that is right here. So then we're going to swatch the other ones. Let's see. Oh, look at this applicator. Love it. Ah, look at this, look at this. What? This is so beautiful. I wish you can smell. It smells so good too. So this is first one. So let's swatch them so we can see all the shades when we're done. So the first swatch was the Coral Shine. That's the one I'm using, and it's absolutely stunning. So the next one is Ruby Shine. Ooh, I bet it's gonna be stunning too. Let's put the ruby shade right here. So that's the Ruby Shine. Beautiful. Now let's go to Sunset Shine and swatch it. Oh, Beautiful. Alright, so let's now swatch. This one is Nude Shine. Okay. Beautiful shades. Now the next one is Berry Shine. Oh, this one is beautiful. The next one's Plum Shine. And then we're gonna try again the last one, that's a pinky one. Ah, the berry is so pretty. Look at this. They are so shiny, so hydrating, so glossy. So the last one is Pink Shine. So I'm gonna remove the one that I have on now, so we can try Pink Shine. But gorgeous. Okay. This is stunning, and it's so good now for this time of the year because my lips tend to get all choppy. So that's all the shade that I have here. We have 7 shades and they're absolutely stunning. So I'm going to tag Purlisse here if you guys want to check them out. You'd let me know down in the comment below which one of them was your favorite, because I loved each one of them. Alright guys, so this was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm going to tag Purlisse on the description of this video and this gorgeous lip oil collection. So if you guys want to try them out, I definitely highly recommend. They look gorgeous and fabulous. I'm using the Coral Shine. Love it. It's so beautiful. Alright, thank you so much Purlisse for sending me this for trying. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys a bunch. Your makeup, it's really nice. So thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. See you guys next video. Bye.